The best smart glasses blend technology seamlessly into your daily life. Imagine getting notifications, directions, and even snapping photos, all hands-free. They're not just about functionality. They become a style statement too. Plus, they keep you connected without the constant need to check your phone. It's about being tech-savvy while staying fashionable. For someone who's always striving to be the best, smart glasses are the perfect accessory. They're not just a gadget, they're the future, right on your nose. After extensive research, we are delighted to share with you our list of the top 5 best smart glasses. Each of these futuristic eyepieces caters to different needs, whether it's price, performance, or unique features. And remember, the glasses we're talking about are in no specific order, so you'll want to stick around until the end to make sure you don't miss the pair that's perfect for you. For more information on these products, check out the links in the description box below. Number 5. Soundcore Frames Wander. And let me tell you, these are the best audio-focused smart glasses I've come across. It's like having a personal concert right on your face, minus the crowds and overpriced snacks. So what's the deal with these Soundcore frames? Picture this, Gent, you're walking down the street, your favorite tunes are playing, but you're still able to hear the world around you. It's not sorcery, it's just really good open-ear audio technology. The sound quality crisp, clear, and surprisingly immersive for glasses. It's like your ears are at a VIP party, and everyone's invited. Design-wise, they've got this sleek and modern look. You put them on and suddenly you're the coolest tech-savvy person in the room, or at least you feel like it. And comfort? They sit on your ears as comfortably as your favorite cap. Now, the battery life is pretty solid. It's like a reliable friend who sticks around for the entire road trip without needing a pit stop. And the touch controls on the frames are so intuitive, it's like they read your mind, or at least your fingers. But hey, no tech is perfect, right? While the audio is top-notch. If you're looking for AR/VR features, these aren't the droids you're looking for. And in noisy environments, you might find yourself wishing for a volume knob that goes up to 11. Number 4. OhO A8 Pro 6, which I've proudly dubbed as the best for sports and outdoor activities in our smart glasses roundup. Picture this, it's like having a gadget right out of a spy movie, minus the exploding pins and more suited for your weekend warrior escapades. So what's the scoop with the OhO A8 Pro 6? First off, they're built tough. These glasses can take a beating like a superhero, making them perfect for your outdoor adventures, be it cycling, hiking, or just pretending to be in an action-packed chase scene while jogging. Design-wise, they look sporty and robust. Wearing these, you'll feel like you're ready to conquer Mount Everest or at the very least that steep hill at the local park. They have this rugged charm. Think of them as the Indiana Jones of smart glasses. Now, the camera feature on these is a standout. It's like having a GoPro on your face. You can record your escapades hands-free, which is fantastic for when you need both hands to hold onto your mountain bike or your ice cream cone priorities, right? Battery life is impressive. It lasts longer than most people's commitment to their New Year's resolutions, and the water resistance. It's like having an all-weather friend. Rain or shine, the OhO A8 Pro 6 has your back. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The audio quality is decent. But don't expect concert hall sound, it's more like listening to music on a budget airline. Good enough for the ride. And while the camera is cool, if you're a professional videographer, you might find it a bit like using a kiddie camera at a wedding. Number 3. Doviico KY02. Now, I've tagged these as the most affordable in our lineup of smart glasses. Imagine walking into a tech store with just a few bucks and walking out like you've hit the jackpot. That's the KY02 for you. So here's the lowdown on these wallet-friendly wonders. First up, design-wise, they're pretty no-frills. You won't be strutting down the street feeling like a Hollywood star. But hey, they're not bad looking either. Think of them as that reliable, comfy hoodie. Not runway material, but you love it anyway. Functionality is where these glasses pack a punch, considering the price. Bluetooth connectivity is a breeze, making listening to music or taking calls as easy as pie. And speaking of pie, the sound quality is decent. Not like dining at a Michelin star restaurant, but more like your favorite local diner. It gets the job done, and sometimes that's all you need. Battery life? Surprisingly good. It's like one of those Energizer bunnies. It keeps going and going. Perfect for those long commutes or endless scrolling sessions on your phone. Now, the KY02 isn't without its quirks. The build quality feels a bit like those sunglasses you buy at a gas station. Functional but not something you'd brag about. And while the sound quality is decent, don't expect to be blown away like your front row at a rock concert. But here's the deal, for the price you're paying, the Doviico KY02 is like finding a four-leaf clover in a field of tech gadgets. It's a solid entry point for anyone curious about smart glasses, but not ready to splurge big bucks. It's like dipping your toes in the pool instead of diving headfirst into the deep end. If you are enjoying this video so far, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more juicy reviews. Number 2. Ray-Ban Meta. Wayfarer, my pick for the most stylish smart glasses in our lineup. These aren't your dad's Wayfarers. They're like if your dad's Wayfarers went to Silicon Valley, got a tech degree, and started working at a cool startup. Let's talk design first. The Ray-Ban Meta SE Wayfarer stays true to its classic aesthetic. It's like Ray-Ban took a look at their iconic design and said, let's make it futuristic. The result? You get the timeless Wayfarer look combined with modern tech without looking like you've just stepped out of a sci-fi movie. Unless that's your vibe, then more power to you. The audio technology is also worth mentioning. The open-ear speakers integrated into the frames provide a surprisingly immersive sound experience. It's like having your own personal soundtrack playing as you go about your day without blocking out the world around you. Battery life is decent, giving you enough juice to get through most of your day's adventures. And when you do need to charge them, it's as simple as putting them back in their case, just like a tech-savvy version of tucking your glasses into bed. In terms of functionality, the Ray-Ban Meta AU Wayfarer strikes a nice balance between tech and usability. They're not overloaded with features to the point of being overwhelming, but they have enough to make you feel like you're living in the future. In conclusion, if you're looking to dip your toes into the world of smart glasses and want to do it in style, the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer is a fantastic starting point. They're a perfect blend of fashion, function, and hey, look at my cool glasses. Number 1, which I'm crowning as the best for smart assistant integration on our list. It's WGPT-1C. This pair is like having a mini personal assistant perched on your nose, minus the coffee runs and scheduling meetings. Let's dive into what makes the WGPT-1C stand out. Firstly, the integration with smart assistants is seamless. It's like having a genie in your glasses. You ask and it delivers, well within the realm of digital possibilities. Whether it's setting reminders, sending texts, or just asking random trivia to impress your friends, these glasses have got you covered. Design-wise, they strike a nice balance between techie and trendy. You won't look like a character straight out of a sci-fi movie, but you'll definitely exude a subtle, I'm living in the future vibe. The audio quality is pretty solid too. It's like having your favorite playlist whispered in your ear, but in a non-creepy way, and the open-ear design means you can jam to your tunes while still hearing what's going on around you, like a superhero with heightened senses. Battery life is decent. It's not marathon runner long, but it'll see you through your daily adventures without leaving you hanging. And the touch controls. Intuitive and responsive, like a good date, they understand your needs with just a slight touch. Now, on the flip side, if you're looking for high-end audio or R features, the WGPT-1C might leave you feeling like you just watched a movie trailer and not the full film. And while the Smart Assistant feature is a major plus, remember it's only as smart as the assistant you connect it to. So, no, it won't write that report for you. If you enjoyed this textacular showcase, smash that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to drop a comment and tell us which of these high-tech specs caught your eye. See you in the next video.